Today she decides to take the biggest step of her life. A head shave to redefine beauty and confidence. Watch as the razor touches her hair for the first time. She feels every inch of her hair falling to the floor. The moment of transformation begins now. A bold choice to embrace her true self. The sound of each strand being shaved marks a new chapter. She looks into the mirror with excitement and anticipation. Her hair is no longer the focus, it's her spirit. The buzz of the clippers fills the air. With each pass she grows stronger. This isn't about beauty standards, this is about freedom. Her courage is visible with every inch of hair removed. A fresh start with a brand new look. She feels lighter, more confident, more herself. She's letting go of the old and welcoming the new. The transformation is more than physical, it's emotional. This head shave is a declaration of self-love. She knows this is just the beginning of something incredible. She looks different, but she feels more beautiful than ever. The old version of herself is gone and a new one has emerged. It's not about beauty, it's about being authentic. With every shave, she gains more control over her life. She's proving that true beauty comes from within. The hair might be gone, but her strength is just beginning. This is the moment she steps into her full power.